Most of the school teach us how to do chemistry, how to synthesize drugs, but literally nowhere in the world such kind of classes exist who can actually tell us how to quench active compounds or active chemical before discarding them into environment. And this is the biggest lacking in our education system. Well, according to my best knowledge, I can teach you that. It's always recommended to read the safety data sheet of the compound if you know the name. For example, in my case, it's going to be benzyl azide. And because this is reactive with metal, I'm going to cover everything with paper towel, and it's not soluble in water, so I'm going to pour water on top of it so that it can create a layer between metal and my compound. Make sure every time when you do this, your fume hood should be partially closed and you have excess of ice and liquid nitrogen. For example, if any heat starts generating, you can easily put ice in it, or you can pour liquid nitrogen on top of that. We're slowly going to introduce air in it and check if it's reactive with air or not. And if not, then we're going to dilute it into solution. Because I already know what kind of compound it is, and obviously this is not my first time dealing with that, so I'm kind of confident, but I highly advise you to check the temperature periodically, and if it goes a little high, then put liquid nitrogen or ice under it.
Normally, I mean, not because of the video, but in general, because this compound is work as catalyst against metal, so it should not touch any metal, and it's explosive when it's in dry condition or when it's very condensed condition. But if it's diluted, then it becomes like it's not explosive anymore. And for example, I already know what this compound is, or just assume if I'm kind of a bad person who already left this without even labeling, then you are the person who's supposed to dispose it, and then it's going to have proper procedure. I'm just going to check the temperature if it's fine or not.
Did it lift? Or lift?
Lift? No, it's fine. Because it's not even warm. If it's warm, then definitely yes. Or sometime maybe liquid nitrogen if it's like feel
Well,
like
put
too
this
much
on a time lapse.
time lapse.
The mouth because of the alcohol.
Like to make this fire stuff.